Hey, what's up? Nemo here with another Plasticity quick tip. Today I want to show you how I go about making panel lines for my models. And I've got this remake of my Plastic Gear Rex, which is the Metal Gear Rex basically, that I'm going to make 3D printable. So I'm going to use this leg or thigh as an example. Let's start with something simple because this is flat. So I'm going to pick the line tool. I'm going to go on the ortho view that's facing this surface, and I will just draw whatever panel line I want. Let's make something half decent. This is not going to be the final one, but something like this probably works. Something like this. It's not exactly straight, so let's make it straight. I'm going to select the vertices S, Z, 0, so that they are perfectly aligned. And all I'm going to do now is select this curve by hitting 2 or clicking here to select the edges. You can see it's perfectly aligned with the surface because I drew exactly on it. I'm going to hit P to pipe, and I'm going to select a section size of about 0.4, something like this. Now we can choose different sections here. If you want to 3D print it, you can either use a circle here, the circular section, or what I actually recommend, which is what I do, is choose a vertex count of 4, in which case you get this square section that's rotated 45 degrees, and then rotate it back so that it faces us. I'm going to hit enter, and then I'm going to select the object I want to imprint on, Q to boolean, and our new panel lines. I'm going to hit enter, and that's pretty much it. Now this might be a little too thick. If you want to make it thinner, feel free to, but this is just one of the ways to go about it. If you want to 3D print it, again, you cannot go too deep. 0.4 is already on the edge of what you can do. I highly recommend not using, let's do it again, the circular section, because this is not going to be that visible when it prints, nor this one, because if I boolean this now, you see it creates just this little ridge that is not going to be sufficiently visible, at least for my tastes, in the 3D print. But again, this was easy because we had a flat surface. What if the surface is not flat? What about something like this that's curved? Well, obviously we cannot simply draw on it because, again, it's curved. So whatever line we're going to draw will not stick to the surface. So we can't really use the pipe method here. So with that selected, I'm going to go to the top view and hit Shift I. I'm going to click on my object where I want the panel lines and hit enter. Now that I have the imprinted curve, I can select these new lines and hit P to pipe and enter. I left it at the default size, but that's fine in this case. If you do end up with weird edges or leftover faces, you can just extrude them out and it's going to look clean enough. But that's all for today's quick tip. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button and subscribe for more. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.